Activity 1. Everyday algorithm. Ask a student to write an algorithm for making instant noodles or logging in into Facebook. Student must list steps clearly and in order. Class discussion, identify input, output, finiteness, definiteness. Algorithm for making an instant noodles. Start. Prepare the following: 1 pack of instant noodles, 1 bowl, 1 half cup of water, cooking pot. Start a fire using uling kahoy, pour the bowl stove and place the cooking pot on it. Pour the water into the cooking pot. Add the noodles to the cooking pot. Add the seasoning from the packet. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir the noodles properly to mix the seasonings. Transfer the noodles from cooking pot to the boil. Eat the noodles. Stop. Flowchart start. Prepare the following ingredients and materials. Start a fire and place the cooking pot. Pour water into the cooking pot. Add the noodles. Add the seasonings. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir the noodles properly. Transfer the noodles to the bowl. You now have a instant noodle. Stop. Hot water cooking pot. Fire source uling kahoy portable stove. Output: cook instant noodles ready to eat. Finiteness: the algorithm ends at step 11. No infinite steps. Definiteness: each step is clear and specific.